Load carriers are necessary to use this accessory. Prep the brackets by clicking the smaller square piece into the larger one. Repeat for all 4 brackets. Align the brackets with the holes on each side of the holders by sliding them into place along the bottom of the holders. Press down on the switch to unlock the ski holder and lift the top. Push down the lever to allow the ski holder to slide. Slide the open ski holder to the side. Position the nut in the right direction. The hexagonal side should face you. Now you repeat this step on the other side of the ski holder. Slide the open ski holder back to its original position and lift the strip to reveal the second hole. Position the nut in the right direction as you did previously on the opposite end of the holder, with the hexagonal side facing you. Secure the brackets by tightening the screws. Slide the ski holder into the T-track of the load carrier. Slide the open ski holder to the side. Tighten the nut 2 to 3 turns. Slide the open ski holder back to its original position to access the rubber strip. Pull back the strip and tighten the nut, then refit the strip on the ski holder. With the ski holders still open, position the skis facing towards the rear part of the car. Make sure they do not interfere with the tailgate when it's raised. Press the ski holders together with 1 or 2 clicks to close. Insert the lock cylinder so that it clicks securely into the chamber and cannot be removed. Turn the key and remove it to lock. You'll know the lock cylinder is properly installed if it remains securely in place when you remove the key. Give a firm tug to check that the skis are fitted securely.